Here I have a variety of Opuntia Cactus Plant. This one is starting to produce this year, so I see some fruit there. What I like about this variety is it has beautiful flowers, orange flowers, so I'll have an update once it blossoms, that way you can look at the flowers. I like it for beautiness of the flowers, and it also produces edible fruit, so best of both worlds. Here I have my cactus plant. I like to eat the cactus pads when they're tender. They are delicious. I like this variety because it produces so many of them and so fast. And they are delicious. It's a seedling from a prickly pear that I bought at the grocery store, so I don't know what variety it is, but it produces delicious cactus pads or nopales. Thank you for watching.